Heavy, requesting taxi instructions to the main hangar.
Roger that, 777. Follow the lead vehicle. Switch to ground frequent point 9er.
Welcome to Wow Factory Process. Today we are looking at the massive C-17 Globemaster III, a marvel of modern aerospace engineering.
Welcome to Wow Factory Process. Today we will see how this giant aircraft is built step by step from zero to final flight.
Suction engaged, pressure holding steady.
Copy that. Proceed with lift, slow and controlled.
Alignment confirmed. Stand clear.
Ready to initiate forming sequence.
Bay 2, check torque on panel 4.
Copy that. Proceeding now.
All right, hit it. Holding steady. Next one up, check the alignment here.
The C-17A Globemaster III is a marvel of modern engineering, requiring the utmost precision.
Every system must work in perfect synchronization for flight safety.
Clear on the forward end.
Steady pressure on the pole.
Coming up slowly. Ensure all tags are secure.
Clearance confirmed on the starboard side. Power levels stable. No deviation detected.
We are within tolerance. Adjusting the crane 0.05 inches on the x-axis.
Confirmed. Alignment verified. Proceed with mating sequence.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side.
Copy that. Lowering main hoist.
We are aligned on the forward pins.
Sequence check complete on this side.
Confirmed. Next bolt aligned.
Quality inspection, verifying torque values now.
An impressive engineering accomplishment, the completed primary structure of the C-17.
Check the routing on station 480. Ensure the bend radius is compliant.
It's secured with the cushion clamps, Inspector. See the green tag.
Verify alignment on station 4.
Alignment confirmed. Safety wire installed.
Hydraulic connection secure. Torque set to specification. Pressure test complete. No leaks detected. Quality inspection confirmed. Documenting now.
Verify these mounting points against the Q3 blueprint.
Confirmed. Staging the radar unit next.
Aligning the front mounts now.
Okay, I'm securing the rear latch. It's locked.
Confirming documentation matches the installed unit.
Continuity check on the fuel crossfeed. Reading nominal.
Looks good. Logging the results now.
Ensuring the integrity of these systems is paramount. Every wire and display must meet the strict flight safety requirements.
Okay, micro adjustments now, very slow. Check the harness clearance.
Harness is clear, thrust reverser linkage looks good.
Confirmed aligned on my side.
Every system must work in perfect synchronization for flight safety.
Confirming engine centerline alignment. We have green across the board.
Copy. Preparing hardware installation.
Quality control confirms all specs met.
Check the hydraulic lines on engine 3. Make sure the actuators are secured.
Verified. All connections are secure and documented.
Ensure the sling is secure before the next phase. Roger that. Clear to proceed with the lift sequence.
Easy now, bring it down 5 inches.
Clear on the inboard side, watch the actuator.
Alignment verified. Proceed to lock.
Steady on the arm.
Reading 5,000. Stopping torque.
Roger that. Logged and verified.
We are clear on the starboard side.
A little lower, watching the actuator.
Looks good, bring it home. Engine 3 light off, moving to engine 2.
Affirmative. Cockpit. Parameters stable. Continue sequence.
CC-17 requests taxi clearance for phase alpha groundability test, all systems green.
Cleared onto the outer taxiway, winds calm.
Set thrust.
80 knots, engine stable.
Reject, reject.
Reversers deployed, spoilers up, decel normal.
Hydraulic systems pressurized. Electrical online.
Check. Flight controls checked. Tower, Globemaster III, ready for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff.
Thrust set, parameters normal. Airspeed alive.
Globemaster is airborne. Gear is coming up smooth. The response is excellent.
Tower, this is 66, climbing through 5,000. All parameters are normal. Approach checklist running.
Flaps deploying to approach configuration.
Speed checked at 150 knots. Gear down and locked, 3 green.
The flight characteristics were excellent, and all systems performed normally.
Congratulations, team!
A true marvel of engineering, the C-17A Globemaster III is ready for the United States Air Force.
We followed the meticulous process from raw materials to operational capability. The C-17 Globemaster III, this was the complete manufacturing process of the C-17 Globemaster III, from raw materials to final flight.
Subscribe to WW Factory Process for more factory documentaries.
With a wingspan of 174 feet and a price tag of nearly $500 million, the C-17...
Production note: every frame in this video has been transformed through the careful multiple stages creative process, from the concept development and GIF planning to VO3 generation and final editing. Human creativity leads every step. This channel is too committed to organical, original AI craftsmen and the policy-friendly content creation.